Murphy. They got to a betia every. I feel on by no side so cry. The human booye, the people will booye. The people will booye. And let Ganani at the Canium 24/7.
It's me Murphy.
And I will be no. Now, or there's two someone any better who. I mean, I said to piece of my friend Kwabena. That's all about them. We are poor hand. We are poor hand.
Or a journalist, and I said, or a journalist, I know it. Okay. Okay, me.
What the NDC just a body, NDC are carrying a coma home and what the GPs of them. Anytime be a private project, say a program piano. So, all my comment out you said. If you comment to your Bema for MP, you will be here. Because I come on, Mr. Ejakuya, Minister of Energy. Also, buy no let do so and call Papa. And you know, or buy no more yet, and who you must say, you do some big China. I go it, Papa, see. Radio is so still no much. And yes, I'm the because now our opposition, not or can do so now. Hasem, now it is no buy on ye, or buy no magician. Or be a phone like that. I'm for that is of one attacking of it. And you can say, oh, blah, so what did you will.
And so, and this force, and this force, almost do so. And then this. And almost do so. Rap mommy, na me ma away other people chance.
No credit a meaning. Ghana near Obako about Ama and this, Miss Rena Mesa is so tough. Wama agrada ni bijana emra ufi.
Big amen to that. Big amen. Strike.
And the course no door so sad. Yes, any teto. Me pa chomoma yen no short no be any chance because course no door so
company limited.
Hello.
Alex.
Yes, sir.
I'm contributing to program.
Anytime, sir.
Okay. We contributed to a CDN video now, boy.
Okay.
Now, maybe that's a full video, no?
We have full video, but Debbie, we have the full video, and in that press conference or in that statement that he made when he won the chairmanship, every indication, even the media talked about it, and they said they are setting the tone for a warlike election 2024. It's not just this platform. Every platform, unless maybe those ones nowhere then it was all over, it was discussed all over. Say there about one year because say anything could do. The patcho at the end Opaka or now let's move on.
No, baby, who says audio, no original audio, no, doctor, the Ugo, I will show no so. Our lives, if you want the lives are
okay, me patcho, it's chairman, you try me patcho, hold on. It's Uber to me the our lives, no. And now, me patcho. Fast send the na yambo no so ha. Why? Since I will crash our audio no. Fast send the watch say we have the men. And indeed we have the men. So you should take this full on. It's simple. Why would name honorable brand the champion be a some on target no? Na mo fast video we man on share the video brand and then can just send the information number. And you all sue US for army. Because chairman, even one kasa who information crown. It is who proved beyond reasonable doubt say you won or requested for some information. Why do you think they tell you say photocopy your ID where the picture is and all those things to back up your things? Now Ojene say Sebi Ghana phone in Jimmy to say Sebi NDC for Wintino because somebody say no you part the bonnet quantity you part the papi biatia for Ghana of course and yama papa beba no power. Enti e pa de bonen kwat ntokwansi Ghana yenye poto Chairman, let me
sad,
leave that foolish guy where it
it's
is.
sad, bro. Very sad.
Now, more YouTube, Michiamuni na James Sagan, Mehu, Michia Black Soul, Ajimen Bia, Mama Babs, or Say Kwame, Mephias Kapa, Michiamuni na more YouTube, and Estina Menu Mehu, where do you? Sister Frida Menta, I've seen all of you. It's me Pacho, and some so media be great, Sister Juliet, Michiao, Araba Bonnie, Mommy, Michiamuni na. Me say wa also I was say the idea be go chairman obi o say the idea be go an yentro no what you say on fa omo no kre nemra na yensan su Sami Jamfi because Sami Jamfi so is the same information e continue radio so TV so we di Jimmy what you say.
Oh, he did that too?
Oh yes.
Ah,
Sami Jamfi has already taken it to TV or say one of the TV stations, say one of the radio stations.
now are they allowed to take Obi personal information to do that?
That is Ghana for you. That is Ghana. Or that is Ghana for you. The journalists know say a breach, but because Bema Omuni show now a piece. So Sami Jamfi the brand champ on where you buy your channel your piece. So yeah brand
now also for now.
It's in any brand who no. Now I say Obi life, I say Obi give Papa. Now fi or Papa to or penny ni mo ye pamocho mon fan yes now I say Obi abrabo. That is why I said Honorable Brian Champon should take these fools on, because if they don't do that, they will keep doing this same bullshit that they are doing. I hope say Mudao.
Now I be say also for the case in that cause say also for now almost breaching information like that, you know. Also say say.
To be honest, I'm not abreast with enough information about that. I don't know, say, or continue, say,
I didn't continue happening no, because it happen no more jai or no more. You cannot want me for information but go up on thing like that. So anyway.
So I think Honorable Brian Champon. Okay, Hobson. If it is Hobson, they are okay.
Personal information.
Okay, then I'm Hobson. I'll talk to him right after and I'll send him this information. Osiu na chairman. I couldn't see and make a choice say, men peso obesiu Kevin. He just a small.
But Brian he knows. Or no, he knows. Okay.
Oh yeah, he's a smart guy.
Military. He knows.
Of course, he's a smart guy.
He knows what he has to do.
Now, me person
I'm sure he's working on it.
So what you say? Because
he's well trained and he knows all the loopholes and everything. So
me person espionage ne to Kevin Taylor and so. We could release information